Are you a poultry farmer? Do you want to make more profit? Rearing broiler chicken, turkey, geese, guinea fowl and others is not the best poultry business. Hello, you are highly welcome to a very special topic. Many farmers or intending investors are asking me this question on my direct messages, and I have received many of these such questions. Today I want to deal with this question. If you are a poultry farmer and you want to know the best poultry farming agribusiness setup with top security and maximum profit, this video is for you. I'll give you 9 different poultry agribusiness setup. Number 10 is the best, and that number 10 I will also give you why it is determined as the best. Remember, I always tell you what I'm practicing and what I'm into. I have investigated all this. I have entered into all these businesses in poultry agribusiness, and I know the best among them. There is more lucrative, highly profitable, and less risk. Watch this video to the end. If this particular topic interests you, you among the poultry farmers that are interested for this topic, give it a thumb up right away. For the interest of fairness, please give this video a thumb up and make sure you like it. Share the video at the end of it to reach more poultry and livestock farmers. Please, let's get there. Number one is broiler production farm. This is where you rear fast growing chicken meat business. Number 2 is layers farm. This is for egg production for commercial sales. Then number 3 is feed mill business. You produce quality poultry feed for farms and for your own use also. Organic poultry farming, where you produce antibiotic free and herbal based production system for livestock and poultry businesses. Poultry equipment fabrication, you manufacture feeders, drinkers, cage and brooders and other poultry equipments that poultry farmers will buy and use. Number 6 is processing and packaging plant for slaughtering, dressing and packaging of chicken meat and others. Number 7 is poultry manure fertilizer production. You convert waste from poultry houses into manure fertilizers where people buy and crop farmers use it to plant and get results. Number 8 is poultry medication and supplement production, herbal tonic and natural growth promoters like our Eco Bio Booster. We are into all these segments, and I can boldly tell you the most highly lucrative one among them. Eco Bio Booster, 55,000 naira. This is 5 liters for maximum result in your poultry farming. This is it here. Let me keep it by the side so that you'll be seeing it. Eco Bio Booster. Number 9, training consultancy services in poultry, where you educate and guide new and existing farmers into the new inventions in poultry. You tell them and teach them how to go on with the business and make profit. Then number 10 is the best among them, parent stock breeding and hatchery business. This is the best. Are you intending to go into the best poultry business niche? Parent stock breeding and hatchery business is the best. Here you have your parent stock. After 6 months they will start laying eggs for you. The eggs should be fertilized egg, because you must keep the male line and the female line, that is the cock and the hen, together. They produce quality fertile eggs. These eggs, if you have the money, you also buy incubators and hatch it. So now you are bringing in young chicks into the poultry market. Buyers buy the young chicks, rear it, produce meat, produce eggs. You are the first stage in poultry business. You make huge amount of money. Remember, at this stage in this season now, some hatcheries are selling their day-old chicks almost 2,000 naira, 1,500. Sometimes that same egg that is not more than 200 naira is sold after 21 days of adding little, just using power and incubator to hatch them in 21 days. The value has been added. That little 21 days value that is added, they are selling that one egg of 200 naira to 2,000 naira. Can you see the maximum profit? And they are controlling the market. They are few in the business. So if you want to go into the business, this is the business you should go into. Most especially if you are in diaspora, you only mount your camera in your hatchery room. That's all. You can monitor your business from any location at all. So let me give you why the hatchery business is, that is reasons why the hatchery and parent stock business is the best. One, high market demand. Every poultry farmer depends on hatchery for chicks. Both the egg dealers, meat dealers, all are in hatchery. They must buy the DO chicks to before they start their business at all. Secondly, better profit margin. DO chicks generate higher profit per cycle, because if you have very good incubator, fully automated digital incubators, you are good to go. You hatch at least 85 to 90% hatchability, and you control the market price. You can see anytime. Sometimes they will sell 500 per chick, sometimes 800, sometimes 1,000. They can decide what they sell. They don't. It doesn't have fixed price. Other products have fixed price, but this one doesn't have fixed price. They can sell at any amount they want, and nobody tells them, nobody controls them. They are controlling. They control the market business of the poultry farming and everything inside it. So nobody tells them what to do. So this is the best among all, and highly profitable and more secured, because nobody, they control the economy, they control the business, they control the market. And that one is guaranteed market. This supplies both broilers and layers farmers year round. Every time they are selling. Low risk and high control. They operate under strict biosecurity and less disease exposure. Long-term sustainability. Remains profitable even when feed or egg prices fluctuate. They still make money. Their own doesn't fluctuate. They control everything. Expansion potential. They can scale from small local hatchery to regional chick suppliers. And that one, and not the least, is you can start it in a small, you can hatch your chicks in just one room. You must not have an estate or acres of land before you start it. Once you have poultry farm that can produce up to 1,000 broilers, 500 broilers per cycle, you are good to go. If you have a very good poultry farm that can produce 500 broilers to maturity, you can also have your hatchery. You only hatch in this only one room, one or big hall, that's all, where you place the incubator, that's all. Then with your poultry that can produce 500 birds or more, you are good to go. Have the money. If you have the money to start it, let us discuss on the comment section. Send me a message, let me guide you more. Anything that you don't understand in this particular video, please let me know on the comment section. I will also guide you. You have my number, WhatsApp number. Please always send message to me on WhatsApp. But message should not be question. Any question you have, drop it on the comment section. Let's discuss matter that concern poultry and livestock on the comment section. If it is for business, you can send business messages to my WhatsApp line. Any other thing aside business should not come to my WhatsApp. Don't come to my WhatsApp line. Tell me my poultry birds are dropping greenish color, yellowish color, brown, white, and purple. I will not answer you. Please. Thank you for watching the video. If you have the money, buy this Eco Bio Booster. This is the batch C of Eco Bio Booster. This is a wonderful organic product that gives you maximum results in your poultry and livestock. Even if you are going into hatchery business, you can use this to release the one I'm using. You can see it. It has gone. It's not let to remain inside. Only 10 ml per liter of water. Give it to them on daily basis. You can still skip some days if you want, but daily basis will give you 100% guarantee, and your poultry birds will remain safe. You give vaccination. Vaccination is very important also. Please don't ask me. You always give vaccination. Don't miss the. I will give you vaccination schedule, organic vaccination schedule, loading very soon in another video. If you need it, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Share it to reach more poultry farmers and subscribe to our channel. Be a channel member. Click join and join the channel membership, and at the same time be a bona fide member of this particular channel, so that you can get unlimited access to our videos, and at the same time unlimited access to help and guide on your poultry farming business. Till the next video is uploaded in the next channel. Bye for now.